I can do this. I'll go inside, and if Kelly's not busy, I'll ask for his autograph. It's that simple. I'm not anxious at all.
Oh man, you crashed into another water tower? That's terrible. Yeah, I know those things do tend to get in your way. Yeah, they're big.
Okay, now I'm a little nervous. Maybe I'll look around until he's off the phone.
Oh yeah, the EMAX Hawk Pro. Oh yeah, no, it's supposed to be awesome. I've heard it's really great, but I just have not had a chance to fly it yet. As a matter of fact, I've been looking for someone who could help me by doing a test flight and a review for me. Yeah, it's just been so busy with family and work and I just want to somebody help me out.
Maybe I can help Kelly without him even knowing it. Hey, what's up? You're watching Ready, Set, Drone. And today we'll be looking at the EMAX Hawk Pro, a 5-inch analog racing quad built for speed. Is it the right drone for you? Let's find out.
Hang on a second. I thought I heard someone in the studio. Go see what's up. Hold on a second. Hello? Anybody here? Wow, that was weird. Anyway, yeah, I should probably get back to work, but let's try for this Saturday. That's possible. Yeah. Yeah. Should be a great day to fly. Okay, talk to you soon.
Let's do a quick unboxing and test flight before Kelly discovers his quad is missing. The EMAX Hawk Pro comes in two variants, the 6S with 1700 kV motors and the 4S with 2400 kV motors, which is the one I have here. This is the bind and fly version, which comes with an FrSky XM Plus D8 receiver. There is also a plug and play option if you'd like to install your own receiver. Besides the quad itself, we have a quick start guide, camera details, stickers, a spare canopy and camera mount, extra hardware, the VTX antenna, 2 full sets of props, and 2 sets of motor bases, blue and clear. Mine came with the red ones pre-installed. The LEDs below the motors will vary their brightness according to the throttle position. All right, let's get this bound. That happened. Now to bind this, I will plug in a 4S battery, put my transmitter into bind mode, and press the bind button on the quad, which is under the canopy. Now that it's bound, I will get my switches set up in the Betaflight configurator. If you'd like more details on this process, check the description for a link to that video. Let's attach the VTX antenna and then scan for the correct frequency. It would help if I took the lens cap off. All right, make sure that the 2 frequencies match up. Okay, there we go. They are both on A1. All right, let's get the props on. We do have 2 full sets of props, but they are not interchangeable. They're both 5-inch tri-blade props, but one set has 3-inch pitch props and the other has 2.8-inch pitch props. Say that 3 times fast. I'm going to start on the 2.8s and then I'll move to the 3s. According to the quick start guide, the props spin inwards, so be sure to keep that in mind. And before flying, always check your nuts. Make sure everything feels normal and tight. Same goes for any screws or bolts. This quad is over 250 grams, so be sure to put your FAA sticker on before you fly. Alrighty, let's get this in the air. Here we go. That took off a lot faster than I'm used to. Let me get my bearings and try to avoid crashing it on my first flight. So I am flying a little bit cautiously right now, but I can definitely feel that it has a lot of power. It is quite windy today, with gusts up to 30 miles per hour, so that is something I am constantly correcting for. It's probably just the wind, but I do feel that I'm not able to precisely go where I want to go. So let me fly around this tree a couple times, and then I will land and try the other propellers. Now I am flying with the 3-inch pitched props. And right away, I feel like I can fight the wind a whole lot better. Yeah, I definitely have more control with these steeper pitched props. And whoever's calling me right now, I'll have to call them back later. I sure hope it's no one important. I'm gonna land before I crash. I should probably get this back to Kelly before he... Oh, shit. Hey, Kelly.
Kris! Hey! I've been looking for that.
Well, here it is, all in one piece. You ready to fly it?
Let's do it!
Up we go.
That's got some power.
Yeah.
Don't forget it's analog.
Yeah, I won't go too far. A little 4S. This is a good analog signal, though. Other than it being a little out of focus, the picture is pretty crystal clear.
We probably have to adjust the lens.
Oh, yeah. Man. I like this guy.
Now, also bear in mind, that has a linear antenna on the quad, and you have circular polarized on the goggles.
So it's going to be a mismatch?
You lose about 2 dB.
Ah. So you should have a linear and a polarized on here?
Yeah, if you're going to run linear on the quad, you should run linear on the goggles.
Well, so far, I really like how this guy feels. I mean, it flips really nice. It rolls really nice. It's very responsive. Stays in place when you put it somewhere. Let me see if I can take it through the gap of the little soccer goal here.
No, there's nets.
Oh no, not those, not that one. I did this
Okay.
earlier. Thank you. The ones along the fence. The other. Oh wait, there's somebody over there. Who is that along the fence? Okay, well, never mind. That's exactly where I was going to go. Yeah, I really like how this feels. It's my first time flying it, my first time using this radio. Again, with the box goggles, I probably need to adjust the focus on them a little bit because they are a little distorted to my eyes. But as far as just being able to see what's going on, I can see just fine. Now, those props really are in the field of view, but that's okay. I mean, this isn't designed for cinewhooping or anything. This is really designed for freestyle. Try the upside down. Bring it out, yeah. And it's got some decent range, actually. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of range. Hey, is that person clear from those soccer goals, the ones along the fence? Oh yeah, I'm losing a little bit of signal when I go behind the cars.
I can see when Kris is walking towards the concession stand.
Whoa, up, that's the fence. All right. Yeah, it's just a little harder to kind of see what you're doing. There we go. Oh, that wasn't too bad. I got through 1.5. Right down. I like it. I mean, it's definitely feels about like the digital quads I've been flying recently, and has a good amount of punch. Need to land. Hey, right side up. Didn't kill it too bad. I did clip the fence at one point, but it seemed to just keep going, so everything was good. I really like it. It's really, let me hold it for a second. So overall, I'm a big fan of this guy. It has a lot of things built into it that I like. One of the big ones is that the USB on the flight controller is really easy to get to. The protection for the camera, the fact that it actually is one of the better undermounted battery drones that I've ever flown. Usually when you have an undermounted battery, it's a problem, but for this one, it doesn't seem to be. And these motors and these props give it a lot of gusto. So I think it's worth checking out. It is EMAX, and so it's also going to be pretty well made. They have their act together when it comes to manufacturing ready to fly drones. I love some EMAX. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Kelly, I was wondering, can I get your autograph?
Really? I thought that was just for the video.
Yeah, I mean, it's totally just for the video. I don't actually want your autograph. But
Okay. I suppose.
for the video, I thought.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Let's do it.